My name is Sofia. I live in Abu Dhabi and I'm a cancer survivor. My cancer was diagnosed in 2016 and I underwent treatment for cancer for 3 years and more. And in 2019, I was declared cancer-free. While I was going through my cancer treatment, the 3 years or so, there was no centralized medical record system as such that all the doctors, all the different hospitals that I visited could access to. So I had to carry all my files and all my CDs and everything. And sometimes I would forget. Sometimes they would not be available at that time. So it would be frustrating that I had to go back, get another appointment, take my records back to the doctor, show it to them, and then they would decide if they want to do a certain test or not, or give me certain medication or not. But now with Malaffi, it's very convenient for me. I just get up and go for my appointment, and I tell them this is, check in on Malaffi. I tell the doctors, and they look at it on Malaffi, and they find all my records there, all my tests, all the medication that I'm taking. So everything is there, and I don't have to tell them anything. I don't have to bother with carrying stuff. You can imagine my relief when Dr. Muhammad Al-Khatib at Health Plus told me about Malaffi. And now healthcare providers in Abu Dhabi can access my medical history through Malaffi safely and securely.
When Sofia came to me, and I know her case from the endocrinology side, so about her diabetes, about her thyroid issue, and when she came to me and mentioned that she's a cancer patient, so I wanted to look up because she didn't have all her reports with her. She didn't have anything to show me. When I asked her about what kind of cancer and how was it treated and what kind of imaging was done, she was surprised that she said she doesn't have it. And we tried to figure out what was done. And then she mentioned that she had several visits and CTs and MRIs done in Cleveland. So I told her, okay, then let's open Malaffi. And then she was surprised and asked me, what is Malaffi? And I explained to her that Malaffi is now a platform where all files of the patients in several clinics are connected to it. Every doctor has access to it, you can see it. So we know exactly then when was the MRI done, what was the CT, what were the findings, and then she was happy because she said, I don't have this printout, she doesn't have any hard copies. So that helped me a lot to see what was her previous diagnosis and all the diagnostics that were done. And so I can start my own investigations regarding her diseases, her current diseases.
As a patient, I simply love this system. And I'm very happy that in the near future, patients like me will have access to their centralized medical records. I really urge all the healthcare providers in Abu Dhabi to use Malaffi so they can provide better and safer care for their patients.